Okay guys, we are going to dice up about 2 pounds of boneless chicken. I'm just taking some chicken tenders here, and I am just dicing them up. And if you see any of those little string things, just cut them out. We don't need those. Okay, we're going to just put it right back in the little tray that it was in. Okay, this is such a simple and delicious, delicious recipe. All right, we need 2 cups of instant rice, and I don't have any instant rice. So I had 2 packs of these Knorr, and each one is a cup, basically, of instant rice, and it's already seasoned. So, all right, there's my 2 cups, and it is instant. We're going to put it right in. This recipe really needs to have an instant rice, and it is the Knorr Mexican rice. And now we need a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Okay, just pour it right in. And we're going to use this Simply salsa, just this medium, just come out of the refrigerator. And I think my husband had requested this salsa last time I went to the grocery store, or just a more of a wet salsa. So 1 cup of salsa. We're going to stir it around a little bit. I have some green pepper here, and I'm going to give it another chop. Need a whole green pepper. This recipe is a great recipe to get rid of some of the things in my pantry, like the instant rice and these vegetables that I had already diced up, but I didn't know if I'd get to it. And also, this is a great Sunday reset meal because you're going to have a few leftovers. It's great for lunches during the week. I know that the kids are starting back to school. And so you're going to be needing lunch and different things, and life's going to be in a hurry. Great to have leftovers. You can double this recipe. Okay, now we're just going to put our green pepper right in. I just have a jar of red peppers here, and we're going to take about probably 1/4 cup, and we're just going to, they're soft already, oh, and they taste so good. It's just the Walmart brand of roasted red peppers, and we're just going to chop them up. I like to purchase these because sometimes I don't have time to, sometimes stuff goes to waste, and so I find that if I have these on hand, I will use it and it won't go to waste. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put in 2 cups. We're going to need 4 cups of cheddar cheese for this, or I'm using the Mexican cheese blend. So we'll need 1/2 of this to go in here, and the other 1/2 to go on top about 15 minutes during its last bake. Okay, so we're going to put in our cheese. Have 1 packet of taco seasoning, and we're going to put it right in. Just 1 package of taco seasoning. And we're not adding any salt. We have the salt from the rice. We have the taco seasoning mix. It's going to be great. I forgot. We need a small onion diced up. I forgot all about it. And we want to make sure, I don't have another knife. You're in the dishwasher. I told you this is a real kitchen. So we have to use what we have. And if I was an awesome YouTuber, I'd have everything organized and I'm just a Southern grandma in the kitchen, really cooking. And I didn't want to use the knife. I had the raw chicken. I don't know why. It's all going the same place. I just didn't want to. Okay. Now we're just going to stir in that onion. Okay, I decided to add a little bit more chicken. So we have exactly 2 pounds of chicken. I don't think I had enough, so I just added more. So we're just going to throw it in. I felt like I needed another chicken, you know, a couple more chicken tenders, so I chopped up a couple. I diced up a couple more, okay? Okay. Now we're going to spray our casserole dish. And I hope it's big enough. So 9 by 13, I think it's big enough. We're going to put it in. Okay. Okay, now we're just going to we're going to cover this, we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to make sure it's good and tight. I'm going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes, and we're going to take it out, and we're going to sprinkle cheese on it and put it back in for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I got a little bit of fresh salsa here. You can put sour cream, whatever you want, but I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of salsa. It already has sour cream. I know it has salsa in it, but I just love that brightness of and the hot and the cold. And I am starving. I cannot wait any longer. Oh my goodness. Let's put a little bit of salsa. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Now let's eat. You won't believe it. Look at that chicken. Look at that. You just won't believe it. Mm. It's so good, guys. It's so good. Mm. You are going to absolutely love this taco bake. You're going to love it. Simple, easy, dump and go taco bake. You're going to love it. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. You guys go have a wonderful, wonderful day and make this. You're going to love it.